Hey! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets and how they can be a total game changer for your energy levels and overall health. So, what exactly is a plant-based diet? It's all about focusing on whole, minimally processed plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes, while cutting back on or eliminating animal products. And the benefits? Well, they're pretty amazing. Let's talk about the common struggles many people face with their current diets. From feeling constantly fatigued to lacking vitality and dealing with various health concerns, it's no secret that what we eat plays a huge role in how we feel. When we delve into the science behind plant-based nutrition, it's clear why this way of eating can be so transformative. Plant foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies thrive on. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which is great for digestion and overall well-being. Now, here's the exciting part. Extensive research has consistently demonstrated the incredible effects of switching to a plant-based diet. Studies reveal that this lifestyle can lead to skyrocketing energy levels, improved mood, weight loss, better skin, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's backed by science and truly transformative. In summary, a plant-based diet is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool for boosting energy and enhancing overall health. By fueling your body with nutrient-dense plant foods, you're setting yourself up for success in every aspect of your life. So, here's your call to action. Why not give plant-based eating a try? Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet and pay attention to how you feel. And hey, don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey to a healthier, more energized you. Thanks for watching, and remember, plant power is real power. See you in the next video.